Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? It is February, and in honor of the month and it being Valentine's Day right around the corner, I wanted to try a little something to my eyebrows. Can you guess what it is? Well, I mean, obviously you know because you saw the thumbnail or the title. I will be trying to draw a heart on my eyebrows. It looks so cute. I've seen it on TikTok. I'm going to try to attempt to do it with only two things. I went to the beauty supply store and I got this clear foundation. Concealer. I like a bright under eye. So honestly, this is in the shade Light Ivory. I'm gonna use this kind of like brush thing. It's like some skinny little brush, some freaking thick brush that I have. I don't know, but it's kind of flat, so I think I'll be able to do the heart easy. I'll be using some lash. I want the heart like right in front of my arch, so I'm gonna use some lash glue, just like a little itty bitty dab, because this stuff is like kind of difficult to get off. I already have my eyebrows filled in, so, and I'm just going to brush it in. I'm just gonna roll it to make sure that it's flat. Okay. Now I'm going to take the concealer. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm just going to use like the flat of the brush to make the V. And then I'm going to use the other side, like the little pointing side, to do the other part. Also, I did some tooth gems. If you guys are interested in that, I have a video on it. Okay. Okay. So I'm literally gonna use the very tip and see if we could carve out some booty cheeks. Oh no. Can I fill it in? I'm gonna fill it in with red. The booty cheek part is not coming out the way I want it to. At this point, I just drawing a heart on my face. I mean, it looks like a heart, right? You can clearly see that's a heart. I'm gonna take some black eyeliner and what am I gonna, oh, this is empty. There's nothing in there. So I'm gonna take some black eyeliner and I'm going to like kind of carve in the middle part so that you can see that it's a heart. Gosh, look at the heart on my eyebrow. I want to add some red. I couldn't find the red. I think the red would have been really cute. You could leave it like this, but I'm gonna just go over it in white because I want to. This is just a regular white eyeliner from the beauty supply store. I think it was like $2. And I'm just going to go over what I did, like white out. This is how I did the heart on my eye. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute to me. This is how it looks in actual light. Excuse my radiator. With Valentine's Day coming up, I thought this would be such a cute idea. You know, if you're going on a date or whatever, if you're going out with your friends, draw a little heart on your eyebrow, because I'm going to. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know what you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you try it with white, tag me. If you try it with red, tag me too. I want to see everything. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, it's Naya. If you are new, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How does it go? My face looks so dry. Let me back up. Is this white eyeliner or black? Well, it has a white top. It's probably white, Naya. Duh.